Hello traders, this is Marek from Trading Academy. I'm really glad to welcome you at today's stream. In today's stream, we will go through crypto markets and you will see our opinion about the situation and what we are going to do and when or where we would like to open the trades and close it. So definitely stay here. You will have our insights and how we are making money in long term on crypto markets. Just fast introduction, we are a team of professional traders. I've been trading full time as a self-directed trader for 2 years. Usually I traded futures now, but for last 1 year and more, I started trading also cryptocurrencies more seriously, and also forex and stocks. We have team members in our team with 10 years experiences and more trading at proprietary desks. Really interesting people and also people you can learn from. Our task is educate people and show them how it is possible to make money on the markets and also give them kind of financial awareness in economics and make them, let's say, more richer, more money wise. You can use our content. Just go to our social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. You can find our streamings, history about our scenarios, also different kind of markets like again forex, stocks, futures, and cryptocurrencies. Really interesting information for you for free, and you can also find the articles we are writing for you about economic situations, also about different kind of trading techniques, with indicators or only price action, scalping techniques, and so on. Really interesting information for you for free. Go there, you will see how it is possible to make money or what the area of focus should be in your case. Also, one other thing, we are arranging webinars for more serious traders who would like to push their trading to a higher level. And at our webinar, we share with you our techniques of trading more deeply. You can ask there any question you want. The webinar is interactive, and also I'm asking the question uh, our audience, so they are interacted with us, and we would like to make sure that they are understanding the content precisely, clearly. So go there. You can find our strategy Horizon X directed for Forex and also for stocks. And also I use a special kind of reading technique, tape reading technique, or in case of trading futures on SME. Really interesting information for you. Go there and I will show you something what we are using. Definitely interesting information for you. So I believe this is all for the beginning, fast introduction, and you can ask any question during this stream. I will be checking the chat, and just like right now, I'm checking chat, no questions so far. So let's go directly to our scenarios about cryptocurrencies. So let's start it with Bitcoin in the moment, and I will show you how our levels we share with you are working out. We use different kind of technique, not only price action method, what is usually used by conventional technical analysis. We use more liquidity part of us order flow trading, very modern stuff, which actually working the best for me. And you see. Uh, Last time, I think on Friday, I was sharing with you the scenario about its key impulsive move level, which actually worked really well. It was retest again and going up. Another impulsive level here. You see during weekend, we have seen some reaction. You could take advantage of it for short scalping. Here you could make about 5% with margin leverage trading. You can make much more. Let's just check for some percentage which this opportunity offer us, and you see it was 7%. Good, I believe, and by that scenario to this our liquidity zone and also reversal killer level here. As you see, we could make 7% with leverage. It could be 50%, 50%, of course. So just you see that with our intraday trades, you are able to use this kind of liquidity, this kind of techniques, making money kind of easily. Let's look at the Bitcoin from a longer perspective and what we are expecting in the moment. It will be much more interesting for people who are speculating on Bitcoin for long term. In the moment, you see that we are still in this corrective movements. In the moment after impulsive parabolic movement here, we've seen this, let's say, brutal pullback, and now we are consolidating in the moment. It's perfect scenario for scalping and intraday trading, which we are using. Also, if you look from Bitcoin perspective, from point of capitalization, we've seen that Bitcoin didn't touch our preferred level of capitalization, which should be actually this level you see, and Bitcoin didn't touch it in the moment. Still, this is really interesting zone, and we can expect that the market will try to push it again below this capitalization to this level. And this is my favorite scenario to buy Bitcoin here. So definitely be aware of that. Put their alerts and check. I don't know if the let's say price or capitalization will go to the level in the end. I don't know that, but because of poor volume in the moment, it is not readable for me for let's say few weeks speculation. But it is one of let's say scenario, and I believe that we have still 50% chance to go there. Another 50% chance that we will go directly up. This is why I usually like trade Bitcoin now in the moment from intraday perspective. For example, here we are expecting that Bitcoin will touch this level again, our place of liquidity, and you can use this zone for opening long position at least to retest again this resistance level, which actually give you nice opportunity to speculate on higher movement. So you can book your profit, fix your part of your open position there here, and you can speculate for bigger position, bigger movement on your break-even stop loss. So really, it's an interesting scenario for trading in the moment, which I would like to share with you. And from let's say for our time frame, what I am looking for in the moment is this trend line in the moment. This trend line is still holding, and it's very important that it's able to hold. One thing what can happen is that makers can use this liquidity with false breakout, and if market will reject the zone and we will hold up this level above this trend line, definitely necessary for longing, and we can expect attack of this 13,000 level. As I show you, this is for me very important level in the moment, and market must hold this level above in case of long term or middle term scenario for buying Bitcoin. Definitely, for me, this is the most conservative scenario I would like to show. I would like to share with you, and this is why we are doing this stream for you. Just I will check the moment. I will check question. Yeah, Jan say hi. I say hi, Jan. I hope that you are doing well and your trades are very fine at the moment. And yeah, you can ask any question you want in the moment. So for me, it's like in the moment 50% chance that we will go up and 50% we will go down. Depends on the trend line, depends on the rejection of the price in the moment. For me, this is the main scenario which I will make decision then of that. Put their alerts as I did. You see the price and why I put the alert in the moment. So yes, let's look also at Bitcoin from let's say daily perspective. I didn't share this you also much more deeply. So you see that if we will break this trend line in the moment, which is here, uh, it's possible that Bitcoin could again with impulsive movement go down. In this case, we are counting with short scenario, and we would like to go short in line with that, with this impulsive movement down to this key impulsive level, which is first hit of buying zone of our Bitcoin long-term strategy scenario, and another key level, impulsive level here, which is very strong. And if Bitcoin will go there, we can expect a huge bounce from that level. Otherwise, there will be very bad for Bitcoin, and many traders are counting with 9/11 scenario correction in the moment. What I like also about this capitalization, it should be in line with the capitalization here, that in the end we should touch this, or we could use this liquidity of this important key impulsive level, the same also altcoins. Altcoins in the moment are correlating with Bitcoin, means that we cannot expect like huge pumps in general pump in case of altcoins in the moment, but many traders already make some 10 or 20%, 50% of gains during altcoin, let's say, inflow you see here. So for some selected altcoins, if somebody is more fundamental trader, he could use it for that. Let's look at Ethereum in the moment. In the moment, okay, I have problem with Skype, just a second. Ethereum at the moment is going with in line with our scenario. Let's look from longer perspective. I put their weekly level. I was talking about this key impulsive level. Here you can see key impulsive level, which market is respecting. We've seen this retest, and again, for us, is very important this trend line. I will show you from daily time frame. Ethereum now is trading around $300, and you see this trend line. What I like about the situation that bulls are in control, meaning that bears are not able to, let's say, push the price closer to the trend line. So meaning that I think probably we will see another movement up very soon, which should let's say attack the key reverse level here is as you can see about $350, and in line with the pullback we've seen on capitalization level with altcoins, which was actually strong. I didn't expect that. So I expect a little bit weaker pullback, but in the end it was good. So in that case, we can anticipate another push and maybe higher to another key reversal level, as you see here, around $400 and above. Really interesting for longing. In that case, we've seen also interesting volume in the moment. And let's look also from 4 hour time frame to look closely more on the candles, and you see also that we have this key impulsive level. It must hold in that case. If it is able to hold, we see also this kind of circle, meaning that if there will pull back, really nice, interesting scenario for longing Ethereum at the moment. So definitely don't underestimate the situation. Put your alert in the moment, and you should be fine. Let's look also at Litecoin. We are just going through high cap capitalization because in the moment we are focusing on that in case of margin trading. But definitely you can ask any coin, any market you would like to talk about. Uh, Again, also you see this key impulsive level, how it is working, pump up. Now we've seen consolidation again, and longer the consolidation, meaning that in the end there will be bigger movement, more stronger movement. In that case, again, we are still let's say focusing on longing in case of altcoins. Now it is really nice opportunities in the end. Now it is much more safer to trade altcoins in the moment. So we believe that Litecoin should try to attack this key impulsive level again, and should be second touch. We can see also some attack which would like to break this level in the moment. Similarly as Ethereum, nice opportunity to diversify our portfolio. Let's look at Ripple. Ripple in the moment holding our trend line, meaning okay, still both are control. What I like about the situation in this case, also altcoins looks very similarly. We've seen key impulse movement up, consolidation, really nice, interesting scenario for longing from technical perspective. Stop loss below the structure, or maybe a little bit here. depends on your risk reward ratio where you would like to aim, and this is our key impulsive level, key take profit first, key take to profit, and key impulsive level second. This is our second take profit. Really interesting information for you. Nice risk reward ratio in that case, and let's look how it would uh, look like in case of opening long position. If we will open long position here, we will use this risk reward ratio below around. We have nice opportunity about to risk reward ratio, and for long for higher target around 5. Very interesting information. I believe nice scenario to trade in the moment. Let's look also at pairs from Bitcoin perspective. In the moment, Litecoin is behaving as we expected. We see in this corrective movement which is slowing down. We should see this circle accumulation and pump again in line with capitalization of altcoins. Litecoin is a little bit now, let's say, not very, not very, let's say, volatile market in the moment. There are many altcoins in the moment which we would like to trade it, but I believe that Litecoin is waiting and is prepared to be awakened to be pumped again. So this is our scenario for Litecoin, and let's look also for Ethereum point of view. We see that Ethereum there is bigger pullbacks. Ethereum is showing its strength. Also, we seen this nice volume there. We were talking about this key impulsive level or key reversal level. I will check. It is clear as a level, and it's really interesting buying zone in case of Ethereum in the moment. You can use really small risk reward ratio here in case of risk. In case of reward, it will be very high reward in that case. And if you are speculating on that level, definitely interesting information for you. We will giving you. And the moment I would like to see some, let's say, fractal here, which is not formed in the moment, and also we've seen this respecting trend line which market tried to broke, but in the moment still I don't see the fractal volume which I would like to trade at the moment. But definitely this is the market, the hot market to trade, to put alerts on there, and yeah. So be prepared for the market. Maybe put alert if you would like to trade 1 to 3 low pattern or anything like that. Put there alert. I will time our trade from lower time frame in line with our horizon pattern. So definitely interesting information for you. For example, here, nice scenario for longing in the moment. Let's look also from trend line perspective, but it's we will need to see this trend line holding, which also should support this consolidation here. As you see, market is able to break again this trend line and go up. Definitely nice scenario to joining the movement in the moment. So this is our scenario for Ethereum, and let's look at last market. Let's look at the last market and this IOTA. Just Ramon is saying hello, so hi, Ramon. And last market I would like to show you is IOTA because it's really an interesting coin in the moment because of nice fundamentals which is happening now in the moment. What I don't like about IOTA is that we don't have really nice volume in the moment. We've seen this reaction of our level here, key positive level. Once time I will just show you up, but in the moment we would like to see some fractal here, consolidation breaking this trend line and going in line with the scenario. IOTA is slipping in the moment, and if there will be good fundamentals, we can see, or there are good fundamentals. So if there will be, let's say, another push, another, let's say, marketing stuff, that we can uh, we can speculate on that news. And in that case, really interesting information to trade. Also, you see that we are going to this low time frame impulsive level here. So definitely nice. Also going to check in the moment, sleeping, wait for accumulation here, and we can go further up. I will check your question if there is. Just now you have last opportunity to ask any question you want in regards of our scenarios on altcoin and Bitcoin. I believe that I share with you really nice information you can use just directly after the stream. Uh, I hope that you will pick one of our scenario at least, and you will bet on us. And in long term, if you put more bet on us, you will be able to make money with us for sure. So yeah, just fast reminding who we are. Again, we are team of traders, and our mission is educate people about trading strategies which are actually working in the markets and make them financial aware, trading aware, how markets are working, and not, let's say, not let money on the markets only for banks, despite Deutsche Bank, of course. But yeah, definitely this is our mission to show you how it's possible to trade and to make some nice percentage per year for you. If you are more interested into our strategy more deeply and how we are making money on the markets more precisely with nuances of our patterns, our style, and so on, go to our webinar. Smash the link below the stream, and after filling the form, you will be invited to our webinar. Our webinar is interactive. I will be there, happy to answer any question about our strategy, our pattern. We are trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and futures. So we are covering almost every field of markets, and we are trying to focus on diversification and the best setups which are working in general on the all markets. So this is our mission, and also you can go to our YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, our social media channels, and you can find really valuable content like the weekly results, uh, trading scenarios as the stream, or you can find our breakdown of the trades with real money, with real results again, and important articles in really interesting articles about economic situation, about trading techniques like scalping, price action techniques, and indicator techniques. We are team of traders with different kind of personalities, which is really interesting to, let's say, work with. Yeah, and also you can inbuild anything we are using into your specific system you are trading. So I believe it's all for today. If you missed the stream and you have any question right now, just put a question below the stream and we will be happy to read it and we will answer your question for sure. So no questions so far. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time and take the best opportunities on crypto markets and don't waste time. Let's go trading.